Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make pom-poms. I bought these pom-pom makers off of eBay. I will place the link in the description for you. The best wool to use for this is acrylic wool. And we're now going to start winding the wool around one of the sides. And you need to wind enough so that you get a really chunky pom-pom at the end of it. So keep on winding. Make sure you cover the whole available area of that side. When you feel there's no more available space to wind, then you're done. Cut off the wool and tuck the end in. It's now time to do the other side, so you do exactly the same on the other side. I'm actually using a different colour wool, just to show the different effects. You now need to fold the two sides in together towards the centre of the pom-pom maker. And start cutting the wool, just like so. And now do the same with the other side. Now's the time to tie the two sides together. So take a piece of wool and you'll see two grooves each side where you cut. You want to place it in the middle, bring it round and tie it together, tie it in a knot. Now that's secure, we can now start opening the levers on each side. And then pull this two sides off. And there's your pom-pom. And as you can see, it will need a bit of a tidy up. So literally use your scissors, go around, trim it all over, and you have a really lovely pom-pom. Really hope you've enjoyed watching this today. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Take care. Bye.